In this video, we're going to look at a question from the 2013 December exam, and we're going to work through a solution. So the code here on the left is really just ridiculous. This question is purely checking to see if you can trace a program and apply understanding of modulus. So let's dive in. So when I work through this, the key thing is to be sequential, go line by line. So we're going to start at the top, and we're going to say a is 0. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to have some rough work right here, and I'm going to write down the value of a. So a is 0. So I come into the loop, and I say, is 0 less than 56? That's true, so we'll give that a check. So the first thing I do is I print out a, so I'm going to print out 0, colon. So then I work my way down. Is 0 mod 2 0? That's true. So therefore a becomes 5, and we're going to print out a capital A. Notice, print, print. They're not print lines. So then, one thing to note with this question is that each of the if statements are their own conditional structure. Therefore I have to evaluate each one. 5 mod 3 equivalent to 0? No. 5 mod 4 equivalent to 9? No. 5 mod 5 equivalent to 0? Yes. So we print a becomes 16 because 5 plus 11, and we print out d. So we have AD. We print new line, so we're going to move to a new line in our output. I get to the bottom and I evaluate the condition. So is 16 less than 56? That's true, so I come back up to the top and I print out A, and A is currently 16. So then we have a 16 mod 2 0, true. So A becomes 21, 16 plus 5, and we print out a capital A. And then is 21 mod 3 0, true. So we add 7 to A, so we get 28, and we print out the letter B. And now is 28 mod 4 9, false. You should start noticing something funny about this if statement right here. We'll talk about it at the end of the video. Is 28 mod 5 0, false. So we skip and we go to a new line. Is 28 less than 56, true. So we come back up to the top and we print out a value and a colon. Is 28 mod 2 0, true. So we print out a, and the small a becomes 28 plus 5, which is 33, I believe. Is 33 mod 3 0, true. So we become 33 plus 7 is 40, and we print out B. And then 40 mod 5 0, that's true, so it becomes 51, and we print out D. And then we go to a new line. Is 51 less than 56? That's true, so we loop back to the top, we print 51, colon. Is 51 mod 2 0? False. Is 51 mod 3 0? True. So we become 58, and we print out B. Is 58 mod 4 9? False. Is 58 mod 5 0? False. We print a new line, and then is 58 less than 56? False. And we're done. And so the key thing with this problem is to systematically walk through each line and be patient. I suggest making a section where you have a little rough work to jot down to keep track of the value of A, and then you can write the output systematically as you go. So question 6 is any of the code in question 5 not necessary? Explain why or why not. So what we notice is that, see here, nowhere we've printed C. So this if statement is not necessary. We can remove it. What's even more important to notice is that A mod 4 is equivalent to 9. Well, remember, mod returns to the remainder. So if I'm dividing anything by 4, the remainder can only be 0, 1, 2, or 3. So we can never have a remainder of 9 when we divide something by 4. So therefore, this conditional statement will never evaluate to true, and therefore it can be removed. So how could you practice this question yourself? What you could do is you could type out some code like this. You could change the while condition at the top. You could change the mod values, and you could type in some code, try and trace it, and then hit run. and see if you get it right. Pardon me. I would also suggest, why not try, instead of a while statement up here, why not put in a for loop? Have some for loop that counts through. Play with the count, check, and change. Anyways, I hope this video helped, and of course, if you have any questions, just let me know.